Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off profile picture zoom or expansion on Instagram. Alright, so let's begin with the video. You may not want people to be zooming in or expanding your profile picture, so you can go and disable this. To go and do it, all you need to do is come to your Instagram profile just like so, by clicking on the profile button in the bottom right, and then go to the top right and click on the three lines. This will open up your settings and privacy page. Then what you need to do is go and scroll down like so, until you go and see who can see your content and account privacy. Click there. Note that this feature is not available in all regions, so if it is not available in your region, then wait for Instagram to add in your region. But if it's available in your region, you will see this type of option for Allow Profile Picture Expansion. It says let people see a larger version of your profile picture to help they know it's you. So what you can do is just switch this off, and that's it. Now, people won't be able to go and expand it. So that's basically how you can turn off profile picture zoom or expansion on Instagram. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.